This song's called Wairua. Who knows what Wairua is? Wairua? Do you want to learn a Māori word? Do you want to learn a Māori word? Wairua. Wairua. So Y is water. That's two waters. Yep. So there's two waters. It's one way of putting it. There's two waters. And sometimes those waters aren't running in the same direction. They can be running across. And they conflict. And that's the dichotomy of life, isn't it? Sometimes you think, things are going really well. You're thinking logically, but then illogical things are happening, you know? And that's the great mystery, isn't it? Is that we're here in our physical form, but there's all this spiritual stuff going on that we're not aware of sometimes that can influence us. So when we talk about Wairua, we talk about, are we in the flow? Are we in the flow today? Is everyone in the flow of their Wairua today? You wouldn't tell me if you weren't, would you? Yeah. It's a thing that I have to teach my men is, you know, how's your Wairua? And usually it's good. It's I try to be more introspective, get in, you know, deeper into it. Wairua is a very big subject. So I try to break it down in the song anyway. Lift your heart and lift your soul. Patua te ngangara. Lift your spirit and let it flow. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Miha! Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. She's feeling it. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Kaore here, mamai ake. No more shadows, only light. Kei te rangi koe I nai anei. To the sky, let your soul take flight. Sing it with me if you like. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Wairua, wairua, wairua ranei. Wairua, wairua, wairua. Tukua mai te wairua o ngā atua. Hits, ha! whakamaua kia tina. You say tina. Haumi e, hui e, and then you say taiki e. Kia ora tātou, thank you so much for having me. I'm Ricky, you'll see me around, I live over the hill, so kia ora. Thanks so much for being a great crowd today.
Thank you. I just wanted to thank Ricky on behalf of Ōrewa Library. What a wonderful performance, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cool, another round of applause.